The AI race just got a lot crazier. Elon Musk may have quietly revealed what could become XAI's biggest weapon, encoding AI, a giant new Grok model, reportedly trained with around 1.5 trillion parameters. According to Musk, the model has already finished training and could launch publicly within the next few weeks. If true, this would make it one of the largest AI systems ever created. But the real story is not just the size, it's the data. Reports suggest XAI trained Grok using massive amounts of programming interaction data from Cursor, the AI coding platform that has exploded in popularity among developers and major companies. Cursor isn't just a chatbot that writes random snippets of code. It watches how real programmers build apps, debug problems, edit files, and collaborate across huge projects. That means Grok may have learned from millions of real-world software engineering workflows instead of only textbook programming examples. Modern AI models can already generate code that looks correct, but real software development is far more complicated. Developers constantly fix bugs, rewrite logic, manage dependencies, and coordinate across multiple files at once. Training on Cursor-style workflows can help Grok behave less like a code generator and more like an actual software engineer. And Musk clearly knows how important this market is becoming. XAI recently launched Grok Build, a command-line AI coding agent designed to compete directly with tools like Claude Code and Cursor agents. It can generate code, edit files, manage packages, and even execute shell commands. One interesting feature is that it supports multiple AI subagents working in parallel, almost like having a small engineering team running at once. What's even more surprising is that Grok Build supports configuration formats compatible with competing AI coding ecosystems. That's a smart move because developers don't want to rebuild their entire workflow just to try a new model. Still, XAI is a problem. Competition is moving insanely fast. OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Alibaba, and DeepSeek are all pushing major upgrades at nearly the same time. Industry rumors suggest OpenAI is preparing GPT 5.6 with a massive context window, while Google and Anthropic are also expected to release stronger coding-focused models very soon. And then there's Alibaba. Their new model, Qwen 3.7 Max, recently shocked developers by climbing into the top tier of coding AI systems. In some programming tests, it reportedly outperformed GPT and Gemini models while costing far less to run. One developer asked several AI models to build a racing game. Qwen generated a nearly complete playable version on the first attempt, including menus, sound effects, obstacles, lap tracking, and AI-controlled opponents. Other models required multiple rounds of fixes before reaching the same quality. But the most impressive detail may be endurance. Alibaba claims Qwen was tested on long-running autonomous programming tasks for over 30 hours, while making more than 1,000 tool calls without losing focus or getting trapped in endless loops. That's important because long-term reasoning and reliability are still huge weaknesses for most AI systems today. At the same time, DeepSeek researchers are showing how AI agents may completely transform scientific research itself. One DeepSeek researcher recently published a massive survey paper explaining that almost the entire document was produced by autonomous AI agents. The system handled drafting, organizing references, generating figures, and refining revisions with minimal human input. The paper introduced different levels of AI autonomy, similar to how self-driving cars are categorized. Right now, most advanced AI coding systems operate somewhere in the middle, capable of handling complex tasks independently, but still needing humans for oversight and final judgment. Fully autonomous AI researchers that independently choose problems, test ideas, and publish discoveries are still mostly theoretical. But the gap is shrinking faster than many people expected. And that's what makes this moment feel different. The AI race is no longer just about who has the smartest chatbot. It's turning into a battle over who can build systems that act like real engineers, researchers, and autonomous collaborators. The next few months could completely reshape the future of software development, and maybe even knowledge work itself.